Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we have spent months or years building the perfect Feedly collections. Dozens of feeds carefully organized into folders. It's your personal news hub. But what happens if you want to switch to another RSS reader? Or what if you just want to create a backup in case something goes wrong? You don't want to lose all that creation. That's where OPML export comes in. According to multiple sources, exporting your Feedly subscriptions as an OPML file lets you save your entire feed list, folders, and all to a single file. You can then import that file into another RSS reader, share it with colleagues, or keep it as a backup if you want to. So in today's small tutorial, we're going to go through all of this fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, you want to log into Feedly in your browser. So you must be logged in. In the same browser tab, go to feedly.com, look for the OPML section. The download should start automatically if you are in the right place. Now save the .opml file to your own computer. So that's it. One link, one click, and you have a complete backup of all your feed subscriptions. You can also try via the menu. If the direct link doesn't work, log into Feedly on the web, click on your profile picture in the top right, look for the organized sources, for example. As you see here, I have blog, settings, integrations, default view, all of this, expand, and the deletion account. So this one, it won't be used, just keep it here and go through the desktop, look for the option I told you about, and download the OPML file. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.